Hello everyone, we are the group 16 with the capstone title Medical, an IoT-based enhancing emergency response system in Mabalacat City College, Dapdap. Here are the team members: De La Cruz David Josh, Sunga Jason Kim, Cabrera Ashley, Bakuli Amari, and our panelists and advisor. The proposed medical system offers real-time two-way communications, automated alerts, and a retractable roof to enhance safety during emergencies and outdoor activities. Mabalacat City College is a public higher education institution located in Barangay Dolores, Mabalacat City, Pampanga, which also have another branch in Barangay Dapdap. MCC struggles with slow emergency response due to a lack of a direct communication system between classrooms and the clinic. This study focuses on creating and implementing medical and IoT-based enhancing emergency response system designed specifically for Mabalacat City College, MCC, Dapdap Campus. Its main purpose is to improve how quickly and effectively medical emergencies are reported and addressed within the school. The system provides a centralized communications platform that connects classroom, faculties, student, and clinic personnel through automated alerts, two-way communication, and real-time notification. Here we go. Our prototype.
So yan po. Medyo mabagal lang po yung reading pero
So therefore, umandar to motor.
yung apat po na motors.
Ventilation, dahil.
Mataas po siya. Medyo mabagal lang po siya. Ayun po, 22 feet. Nasa ilalim din po siya. No? And 2 is, meron po kasing napapansin nyo po is yung isa po is nakababa and then yung isa po nakataas na fan. Yung iba po yung level.
Ano yung ano niyan? Ano yung nasa taas na labas? Pumasok?
So, pumurong po is circulate. Hindi lang po siya direct na pumasok and then lumabas. Ayan po. So, meron po siya. Gumana po yung dalawang motor sa gilid po which is yung papasok. Try nyo po. Tapos po, try po natin i-on yung dalawang palabas naman po. Ayan po siya. Tapos try po natin siya po. So, red po sa mismo automated, then green po sa manual offer. So, hindi pa po siya natatouch. Is try po natin i-off. Ay, ano po. Okay, try po natin Lapit.
Hello, sound check. Hello. Sound check. Emergency. Hello.
Narinig ko ba?
Thank you.